Bonjour, Emily.
Am I on video?
Yeah, you are.
Oh, I appreciate that.
I mean, you look really good right now, I'm not gonna lie.
I look good?
Yeah, you look fantastic.
I always look good.
Yeah. So does this one.
Oh yeah. Glamour shot right here.
I'm getting 1 10 foot right now.
I want this cow to do a trick for me. Bien. Bien ici. I think he only speaks Pular.
The cow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, cow.
I doubt he's bilingual.
What's hello? Bonjarama.
I don't.
Bonjarama.
Jara. No. Yarama.
Nama Laton.
How are you?
Yeah. It's like Nangadev.
Yeah, we're white.
Really?
Yeah. Get that up though.
Because it's fun.
Oh.
Pwned.
I think it's so cute. That's close hooks.
I dare you to tip it.
Yeah, they all do.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to eat things with closed hooks.
Alright. This video is 2 minutes long. Do you have anything you want to say? All my friends are going to see this when I get home.
I have something I want to say.
Tell me how you feel about Guinea.
I want to say that this cow is really pretty.
Yeah? Oh, he's back.
Yeah.
You think he's pretty? Give him a kiss.
Oh, also, I remember what I was going to say now. I was going to say that we can't tip a cow that's awake.
We can't what?
Tip like a huge cow with horns.
Oh yeah, you guys are country, don't you do cow tipping?
Yeah, we're from the south. That's all we do, actually.
Every Friday night,
Hey guys, class over. We're gonna go cow tipping.
every Friday I go to Walmart and hang out for a while.
Oh hell
Then
yeah!
I go cow tipping, and then we go back to Walmart because it's open 24
You go to Sonic. You get a Route 44 slushie.
Oh hell yeah! Or a cherry limeade.
Don your
Add
cowboy
some
boots.
vodka or rum to
Yeah, or
it.
something. Then go
And then
cow
I go
tipping
hit up Walmart and
for
hang out.
about 8 or 9 hours usually.
Then I do some crystal meth and I go back to my trailer.
What does that have to do with the South?
You couldn't convince me that it was all real until you said that.
Yeah.
And I was like, wait, no you don't.
I hung out at Walmart only one time in my life.
Okay, on y va.
So like.